This Be More Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Colgate-Palmolive Company.
Well, you know all about IQ, but now you should also know your OQ, your oral health quotient. Well, joining us today is Dr. Maria Ryan, the Chief Clinical Officer with the Colgate-Palmolive Company, to share details on Know Your OQ. So welcome to Be More Lifestyle. Talk to us about why oral health is so important.
Hi, Brandy. Thanks for having me on your show. And, you know, it's really important because we recognize that about 50% of people throughout the world suffer from oral diseases, whether it's cavities or gum disease. And the same is true here in the U.S. And so I think that a lot of people don't recognize that your oral health is a gateway to your overall health and well-being, and that there are consequences to not taking care of cavities or gum disease, which is a disease of infection and inflammation that can increase your risk, if not treated, for cardiovascular disease and stroke, or make it more difficult to control your diabetes. So there are these connections.
So how can we get ahead of this and help people improve their oral health?
Well, Colgate-Palmolive has launched a comprehensive educational program through Know Your OQ, Know Your Oral Health Quotient, to let people know how much they actually do know about their oral health, and if they don't know enough, to give them more information, because knowledge is power. And just like people know their IQ or their EQ to measure cognitive and emotional intelligence, you can now learn about your OQ, because a healthier future starts with a healthy mouth.
For sure. So what are some of the steps to knowing your OQ or your oral health quotient?
Well, it's pretty simple. I mean, Brandy, all people need to do is go on to knowyourOQ.com. There are 10 questions on there. So it's an interactive assessment of your oral health knowledge. And it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And while you're doing this assessment, you'll learn more about oral diseases like cavities and periodontal disease or gum disease. You'll learn about oral cancer and other issues people may face, like bad breath or halitosis. You'll learn about these connections between oral and overall health. And you'll also learn preventive strategies, because these diseases are mostly preventable. And you'll also learn how to find help. So there are connections on there to find a dentist, perhaps, if you haven't seen one in a while.
So what else is happening to help get out this important message?
Well, in addition to our Know Your OQ campaign, we also have a program called Bright Smiles, Bright Futures, which really is geared towards young children, because starting early with prevention is really essential. And so in 30 languages, information is shared with parents and with teachers that they can share with the kids. And there are nighttime stories that the kids can read that really engage them in having better oral health. There are games they can play. And we have interactive technologies that have been developed. You know, you're supposed to brush twice a day for 2 minutes. You're supposed to floss your teeth and rinse your mouth. But yet many people don't really know if they're doing a good job. So through connected technologies like our Hum Connected Brush, it'll let you know how long you're brushing, if you've reached all the surfaces. And we have these connected technologies for kids that have augmented reality and games to go along with it. So it makes brushing fun, and it makes those 2 minutes not seem like an eternity for a child.
For sure. My son uses it. He loves it. All the information there and where people can learn more on the bottom of our screen. Dr. Ryan, thank you.
Thank you, Brandy. And go to knowyourOQ.com.